What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I will show you where to find your watch history in the latest YouTube mobile app. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So, if you can't find your watch history in your YouTube app, let me show you exactly where you should go. When you open your YouTube app, click this U button at the lower right corner. Then you will get to this page. All you have to do is swipe these options to the left till you see this library option. Now tap on it. Now please take note that this library folder is only visible to you, meaning other people visiting your page will not be able to see your library. Now in here, you can see your history. Tap on it to view your full watch history. And that's where you find your watch history on the latest YouTube mobile app. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.